Assalamualaikum guys, I am Abdullah Khalid and you are all welcome on English Nama. This is the first video of our English language course and this course will not only help you to learn English language but it will also improve your previous English language skills. In this first episode of our English language skills, I am going to explain why is it important to learn English. There are many reasons why learning a new language is a good idea. Learning a new language allows you to communicate with other peoples. It helps you to see things from a different perspective. In learning an English language will also allows you to get deeper understanding of other culture. Learning a new language also makes you a better listener. Learning a new language even has health benefits. Yes, it has health benefits. As studies have shown that people who speak two or more languages have more active minds in life. There are reasons to learn a new language, but did you know that there are 6,500 languages still spoken in the world today? With such an enormous numbers to choose, why we pick English language? Here are 5 big reasons that learning English can improve your life. Number 1. It is the official language of 53 countries. Over 400 million people around the world speaks English as their first language. Not only that, but English is also listed as one of the official language in the world, more than a quarter of the countries in the world. That is a lot of people you can communicate with by just learning and improving one language. Reason number 2. It is the most widely spoken language in the world. English is the rest of the world's second language. While Chinese and Spanish are the mother tongues of more people overall, most people in the world choose to learn some English after their native language. In fact, 1 in 5 people on the planet speaks or understand at least a bit of English. This makes English one of the most useful languages you can learn. After all, you cannot learn all 6,500 languages in the world, but at least you will be able to communicate with people from all different countries using English. Reason number 3. It can help you get a better job. Yes, learning a English language can create more better job opportunities for you. Companies are becoming more international and English is listed as essential skill for more and more jobs. There are some organizations that now conduct all their business in English, no matter where in the world they are based. If you want to best paid jobs, you must speak English better. So learning English can also help you to get good jobs in Southeast Asia because learning an English language is the major source of getting jobs in South Asian countries. Reason number 4. As I said before, English is the world's second language. This means that learning English makes it much easier to travel anywhere you want. For example, airplane announcements, train timetables, emergency informations, and street signs are often translated into English. Plus, even if you don't find other travelers or local people that speak your mother tongue, you are practically guaranteed to find someone who understands some English. And the last reason, reason number 5. It is the language of the media. How? Most of the content on the internet is written in English. Many of the world's biggest news outlets, including television, newspaper, magazines, and radio, are produced in English. Some of your favorite films, TV shows, and pop music are probably English language. Go to any international film festival in the world. and you will see that all films are either in English or have English subtitles. English is the international language of media and arts. So, if you want to access as much as possible for yourself without relying on translation, it is the most powerful language you learn today. Are you feeling inspired to learn English? So kindly subscribe my channel and join me in my English language course for more upcoming English related videos and learn English in an easy and comfortable manner. Till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.